Everything is a free program which can very quickly find all types of files on your PC drives, even if you don't know the full name of the file. Void Tools created everything. The URL is repeated in the description below this online video. Click on the preferred file to download and install it on your PC. I have set up 5 files to search for: an MP4 movie file, a JPEG picture file, a Word document, an audio file, and a PDF. There are 4 drives, plus an SD card and a USB memory stick. Shown in File Explorer, in the bottom left corner are the 6 devices: C, D, P, Q, S and U. To search SD cards and USB memory sticks, you will need to use the much slower File Explorer. You don't even need to press Enter after typing your search word. Everything did a great job by quickly finding all 5 files containing the word Yarram in drives C, D, P and Q. There is no preview for MP3 and PDF files, but you can click on both to open them if required. Everything took about 1 second to search 6 devices for all files containing the word Yarram. File Explorer took about 5 minutes for the same task, but it did find the SD drive and the memory stick. Unless you know you are just searching for a picture or a document, etc., click on Everything. All Yarram documents are still correctly listed on drives C, D, P and Q. I hope you enjoyed watching Use Everything to Find Files on my new YouTube channel, PC Tech Tips.